Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this two-way stand shockproof protective case with a built-in screen protector. Alright, so right here we have our screen protector. It is offered in several different colors. You've got black, black and gold, blue, and pink, which I had purchased the pink color. It is a shock proof, so it will protect your iPhone. So right here is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let's go ahead and open up this little package. So with this case here, it does give you a little chip so you can help open up this case because this one is a little bit hard to remove. On the back it has a kickstand. This one is actually magnetic. And then you have the built-in screen right here. And then this is the back. So right here is the little chip to remove the glass protector. It is double protected. It's got a built-in screen protector, easy to type and retain the original touch response. So not only does it cover the front, but it also covers the back. So this one here only works for the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which is the 16.7 inch. So again, this is the little chip to remove the screen protector to make it easier way to open up. It does have a three-way of stable support, free for your hand. Enjoy convenience and an ease with the built-in kickstand. It's got a camera protection. It's raised bezeled 3 mm higher than the camera and 3 mm higher than the screen. The edge is 0.12 inch raised. So we'll just remove that part right there. Just slide it over and it should kick out. So this case does have drop protection. It's got extra cushioning in all four corners, which protects your device against drops and falls. And I have dropped my phone a couple times. So here is the back part. You can see the magnetic from the kickstand, and it's a little shiny here on the inside. So we'll just go ahead and put our phone inside here. It does have a full body case with a 360-degree protection only for the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which is 6.7 inch. It does have a full body protection, built-in screen protector, protective grip, so you don't got to worry about it sliding off your hands. It has a stylish profile, scratch resistant, and a built-in kickstand. So we're going to remove this, remove the plastic, and then we're going to add our phone in there. So this is super protective. Down here you've got your cutouts for your speakers and your charging port. So first off, we're going to put the top part. It does have little bumps in the front, little holes for your camera. You'll just pop it in right there. It's nice and secure. We'll remove the screen on the top, the plastic, and it's got the cutouts on the side. So again, I'm going to put this one in at the top part. Slide it right in, and then it should lock. The good thing about these cases that I absolutely love is the top part goes into the bottom part, making it more secure. So if you happen to drop your phone, you don't got to worry about your phone sliding out of this protective case. It's got it nice and protective. You have spot cutouts for your charging port, your speakers, your buttons on the top. It does have a highly lifted bezel for protecting your camera as well as the edges. It's got edge-to-edge protection. You can see the side, it's got a clear on the sides. It's nice. This right here will help protect. I've dropped it, like I said, a couple times. It didn't scratch the screen or crack the screen, as well as the back. It has a front cover which includes a touch sensitivity built-in screen protector, which offers a full screen coverage that protects the screen from scratches, cracks. This dual layer case is made of flexible TPU and durable polycarbonate, which provides all-around protection. The 2.2 mm raised screen edge and a 1.3 mm raised camera edge provides extra protections for your phone screen as well as your camera. It looks super nice. I am really loving this this case, and not only does it protect my phone, I've dropped it several times. I've not broken the screen or the back or the cameras themselves. If you're looking for a nice heavy duty case, I would highly recommend this one. This one is my all-time favorite. The fact that it comes with a kickstand. The kickstand itself is magnetic. I would highly recommend this case.